Porsche Santa Clarita isn't just a car dealership. We're more of a mecca for Porsche enthusiasts. All we do is focus on the passion that we have for the Porsche brand. When we were approached to participate in the Porsche Restoration Challenge in 2021, we grew back on Galpin's long history of customizing and decided to take our skills, both with Porsche and galvanizing, and put them together. And last year's results, well, I thought they were pretty good. We didn't do an exact restoration. In fact, we did something maybe a little controversial. We did a period-correct custom, really as if Galpin had Porsche back in 1955. So this year, the challenge returns, and we want to draw on another passion of ours that might, to some, not initially make sense. That is our passion to venture off-road. But as you may or may not know, Porsche has an amazing history in off-road racing. It began in 1973, when they entered the East African Safari, really with only limited success. But then in 1984, they were able to bring home the overall win at the Dakar Rally.
On top of the roof and on top of the world.
So when we heard about this year's Restoration Challenge, we decided that the time to take Porsche off-road is now. We chose a vehicle from that first era, a vehicle engineered to dominate paved surfaces, like canyon roads and racing circuits. And now we are planning to push it out of its comfort zone. And I think it's going to be special. We're excited to get going. Have you join us for this bumpy ride.